Hey there! Want to speak English fluently? It's easier than you think. Just listen and repeat. Practice these 50 daily phrases and you'll sound more natural in no time. Ready? Let's go. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Zuhi. My name is Zuhi. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from India. I'm from India. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 21 years old. I'm 21 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a student. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception. My favorite movie is Inception. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I love traveling. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I like reading books and watching movies. I like reading books and watching movies. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. How do you get to school? How do you get to school? I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. How was your day? How was your day? It was great, thank you. It was great, thank you. What do you like to do on weekends? What do you like to do on weekends? I like to relax and spend time with friends. I like to relax and spend time with friends. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll notice your fluency improving day by day. Great job today. Keep it up.